A small permanent magnet motor, widely used in toys, can be ideal for some projects. It works with little energy and its rotation can be reversed by merely reversing the polarity of the applied voltage. Sometimes the project requires the motor to be instantly stopped due to precision or safety issues. This is a very simple circuit which can instantly stop a motor without using complex electronic circuits. All you need is a small single-pole relay, having a DC coil rated at the same voltage or so as the motor. As we all know, a relay is a switch which can be remotely operated without having to switch it by hand. Just by applying voltage to the relay coil, its contacts open or close as required. In this case, the relay is used to make the motor suddenly stop by short-circuiting its input terminals as soon as power is removed from the motor. By doing this, while the motor coasts after the power is turned off, the motor now acts as a generator feeding an extremely heavy load, the short circuit, so it stops instantly. If the braking effect must be milder, a low-value resistor can be inserted in the short-circuited path, marked in the drawing as R, in the range of about 10 ohms. In some projects, the load has a high inertia and the motor can generate enough voltage as not to let go of the relay contacts. In this case, this circuit can be added with a diode bridge, a serial resistor for the coil, as well as an electrolytic capacitor so the contacts are released as soon as the voltage drops by a few volts. The bridge diode takes care of the polarity reversal, so the capacitor is not charged backwards. I hope this information has been useful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.